Adobe InDesign Properties panel is a super handy tool for quickly and easily modifying the attributes of your selected objects and document settings. It's like a one-stop shop for all your formatting needs, displaying relevant controls based on what you have chosen. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Location. This panel can be easily found in Essentials workspace. However, if it doesn't appear in your workspace, then go to Window and then choose Properties. You would be able to access Properties panel on right side of your workspace. Functionality. All the panels in Adobe InDesign are fluid, which means that you can increase or reduce its size depending on the number of controls that you want to appear on it. Just bring your mouse at the edges of the panel. You can see dual arrow. Click and drag the panel to change its size. You can show or hide this panel by clicking on the top right corner button. This panel is context aware, which means that panel changes dynamically based on your selection. When nothing is selected, panel shows controls for page, ruler, grids, guides, snapping, and some preferences. It even has a quick action button for placing images. Let's draw a rectangle on this page. Shortcut key is M. Let's add some color to this rectangle, like magenta. Once you select any object, like rectangle, the panel displays two sets of controls. Number 1. Transformation and appearance. Let's first focus on transform. Through this, you would be able to edit its reference point, X and Y positions, width and height. Click the 3 dots to reveal the advanced controls. You will get 4 more options. Rotation angle, where you can rotate the object with respect to reference point. Then scale X percentage, where you can scale up and scale down the object width size depending on the percentage. If I change the values, it is scaling up the width. Then below this preset, there is scale Y percentage, where you can scale up and scale down the object height size depending on the percentage. I change the values, it is scaling up the height. If I click on this chain, both scales will be affected together. If I click on this chain once again, both scales are unlinked from each other. Then shear preset, where we can put a stress on the object's plane. Then we can rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise, flip horizontal and flip vertical. Now let's focus on appearance. You would be able to edit its fill, stroke, corner roundness, opacity, and other effects. Let's change the color of stroke. This option allows you to change the width of the outline. And this option adds pattern to the outline. Corner gives you opportunity to edit the roundness of the object edges. Let's write 40 points. You won't see any effect, because no effect is selected. But as you change the effects, object will change its shape accordingly. Through opacity, you can edit the transparency of object from 0% to 100%. When you click on effects, you will get this drop-down list. It contains all those effects that are usually found in Photoshop. To learn more about these effects, make sure you check out Object Styles tutorial on my channel. Tutorial link is in the card on top of this video and below in the description. Then we have Align options, where you can align the object right, center, left, and so on. Alignment can vary from selection, key object, margins, page, and spread. Then we have text wrap options, through which you can wrap object around the text in different ways. It could be bounding box, object shape, jump in and jump to next column. To learn more about text wrapping in Adobe InDesign, I have added the tutorial link in the card on top of this video and below in the description. Number 2. Dynamic controls. Now, let's write some text on this page. Now, when you click on this text, the Properties panel will show you same appearance options. But this time, it will show character styles and paragraph style options. When you click on paragraph styles, the list of paragraph styles will show up, where you can apply any paragraph style on this text. I had already imported the paragraph styles from my old InDesign document. See how text changes itself as I click on different paragraph styles. If you want to learn more about paragraph styles, then I've added the tutorial link in card on top of this video and below in the description. When you click on character styles, the list of character styles will show up, where you can apply any character style on this text. I had already imported the character styles from my old InDesign document. See how only few characters are affected rather than the whole paragraph. If you want to learn more about character styles, then I have added the tutorial link in card on top of this video and below in the description. You can even create styles by clicking on this button. Below everything, this column button gives you opportunity to create columns on text frame. You can make as many columns as you want. Through this gutter button, you can alter the size of a space between columns. Then you can convert the shape into any other shape by clicking on this button. You can even arrange the text back and forth by clicking on this button. If you have drawn empty text frame on this page, you can fill it with text by right-clicking on it and choosing Fill with Placeholder Text. Or you can use this button in Properties panel to fill the text inside the text frame. Conclusion. Overall, Properties panel is a versatile and time-saving tool in InDesign, allowing you to make adjustments on the fly without jumping through multiple menus. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at 𝗲𝗏𝗀𝗏1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Jawad Soomro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Jawad Soomro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.